To ease my hunger for a more proper lock than the last two or four locks I purchased just a few days ago, I went to the hardware store out of town today, and I purchased the Lemen high quality padlock number SS60, stainless steel, 60mm padlock. And the reason I purchased this one is because it has 6 pins in it, in the core. Pretty good bidding. I picked out one that had a decent bidding on. Came with 3 keys, says Lemen on it. Registered trademark apparently. So it has a stainless steel shackle. Anyway, so let's try to pick this one, as I have not done so. I have not tried the lock, if the key works. I presume it does. Well, let's try to rake it first. I paid 139 kroner for this one. I think it's about $15 or something. So I expect a little bit more security than the Chinese made in the last video. Besides, try again. I don't feel any security pins inside it. However, the tolerances are pretty good. Let's try a snake. Oh, sorry, a worm. So can't open it. Oh, look at that. Just went open. The worm gets it every time. So let's see. Yeah. Spring-loaded lockers, or what they are called in English, I don't know. Are spring-loaded. I don't know if it's a second one in on the other side. However, the Lemen stainless steel 60mm padlock, no security pins. However, the tolerances are pretty good. So let's try that one more time. The worm. Already 4 minutes. Okay. Nope. Will it open one more time? Come on. Come on. No, it won't. Or? Try the triple peak. Yeah, there we go. Alright. You can rake it, jiggle it, open. I won't bother doing a SPP on it. Anyway, that's the Lemen 60mm stainless steel padlock. 6-spinner. I don't know, $15, 16, 17, I don't know. Is it worth it? Probably not.